Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, October 10th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good, but I am tired, busy week at work.
Yes, me too. Many meetings. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. Black coffee for me.
Okay, here you go.
Thanks. This coffee helps me start the day.
Me too. It is hot today.
Yes. Hey, did you see the news this week?
Which one? There are many.
The government shutdown. It is big news.
Yes, I read about it in the Washington Post.
It started on October 1. Now it affects air travel.
Flights are delayed. Airports have long lines.
Air traffic controllers are short on staff.
Many workers are furloughed. No pay for them.
It is tough. I have a sales trip next week.
Will it delay your flight?
Maybe. I check every day. It is annoying.
The economy slows down. Businesses lose money.
Politicians fight over budget. No agreement yet?
They need to talk more. People suffer.
Yes, our office feels it too. Travel budgets cut.
True. Projects wait for approvals.
It is like a domino effect. One thing stops all.
I hope it ends soon. Before holidays.
Me too. Now change topic, tech news.
Sure, what is new?
Tesla's software full self-driving update.
I saw it on CNN's October 6 article.
Yes, new version out, but safety issues.
Crashes reported. People worry.
Regulators investigate. SA looks close.
Calls for stricter rules. Government steps in.
Elon Musk pushes fast, but risks high.
Tech advances quick. Safety must follow.
I drive my car to meetings. No auto yet.
Smart choice. Trust takes time. In projects, we test software slow.
Yes, rush causes errors, like bugs in code.
Exactly lives at stake here.
Scary. Imagine robotaxi in city.
It could help traffic, but not ready.
Video show fails, wrong turns.
Public backlash grows. Lawsuits maybe?
Tesla stock drops, investors nervous.
Probably balance innovation and care.
Right. Now lighter news, entertainment.
Tell me.
Hollywood strike, about AI in movies.
In the New York Times, October 4th.
Strike ends, new deal for actors.
Good, but AI concerns big.
AI generates voices, replaces jobs.
Actors fear less work, unions fight.
Studios save money, but culture loses.
Deepfakes in films, real or fake?
Viewers confused, authenticity gone.
Society debates, ethics in art.
I watch movies for stories, not tech.
Me too. Human touch matters.
Strike shows power, workers unite.
Yes, broader impact on jobs everywhere.
Like our office, AI in tasks?
Maybe, but we adapt. News like this makes me think.
Yes, world changes fast.
Coffee is done, time to work.
One more thing, weekend plans?
Relax at home, read book.
Sounds good, I see family.
Nice, have fun.
You too, see you Monday.
Bye, good day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.